Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the embryological derivatives of the eye. In this aspect, we divided this into four parts. One is the structures derived from the neural ectoderm, and structures derived from the surface ectoderm, and structures derived from the mesoderm, and structures from the neural crest. First, we will learn about what structures are derived from the neural ectoderm. First, from neural ectoderm, we need to remember the mnemonic called Chivrox. What is this? In this, S is nothing but smooth muscles of iris. SI. So, smooth muscles of iris. What are the smooth muscles of iris? There are two smooth muscles, that is, they are nothing but sphincter pupillae and dilator pupillae. And eye. Individually, eye is iris epithelium. What is V? V is vitreous. Remember, secondary and tertiary by this neural ectoderm, whereas primary vitreous is there, it is covered under mesoderm. What is R? R is nothing but retina and retinal pigment epithelium. O is optic nerve fibers. Tox C. C is ciliary epithelium. Now, what are the structures derived from the surface ectoderm? We need to remember a mnemonic called TLC. What is TLC? T means tarsal glands. L is lacrimal gland. L also represents lens, that is crystalline lens. In C, we need to remember two epitheliums. One is conjunctival epithelium, another one is corneal epithelium. Now remember, what are the structures derived from the mesoderm? Here we need to remember one sentence called choroidal pes vascular. Whole mesoderm is sorted out. What is choroidal? Choroidal vessels. P is nothing but, we already discussed, primary vitreous is from mesoderm, whereas secondary and tertiary vitreous is from neural ectoderm. E is extraocular muscles. S is sclera. Only superotemporal part of sclera is by mesoderm. Superotemporal part of sclera. Vascular means vascular endothelium. Now remember, what are the structures of neural crest? Remember the mnemonic SICC for U. SIC4U. SICU. Surgical ICU neck. What is S? Sclera. Already we discussed superotemporal part of sclera. So all sclera except superotemporal part is derived from this neural crest. What is eye? Eye is nothing but iris. Iris is derived from the neural crest, whereas iris epithelium is by neural ectoderm. What are four C's? One C is conjunctival melanoma. conjunctival melanoma. From this you need to remember melanoma. See here U also then uveal melanoma. What are the other C's? Cornea. Already corneal epithelium we discussed here in surface ectoderm. Here remaining part of cornea, that is corneal stroma, corneal endothelium. And one more C is choroid stroma. Last C is ciliaris muscle. So what are the structures includes in neural crest? Sclera except its superotemporal part, iris, 4 C's, conjunctival melanoma. In this you remember U is uveal melanoma, and cornea remaining part stroma and endothelium, choroidal stroma, ciliaris muscle. And what are the muscles we already studied? Smooth muscles of iris is by neural ectoderm, whereas extraocular muscles is by mesoderm, and neural crest derives ciliary muscles. See, individually how to remember questions forms like, see in conjunctiva, what we studied? Conjunctival epithelium, and conjunctival melanoma. In conjunctival epithelium, it is derived from where? Epithelium conjunctiva, it is derived from surface ectoderm. Conjunctival melanoma, last one we discussed, neural crest. See, conjunctival epithelium is by surface ectoderm, whereas conjunctival melanoma is by neural crest. Second one, cornea. In cornea there are 3 structures: cornea, corneal epithelium, corneal stroma, corneal endothelium. Corneal epithelium is by surface ectoderm. We remember na? TLC. Epitheliums, corneal and conjunctival epitheliums, both by surface ectoderm, whereas stroma and endothelium is by neural crest. Neural crest, stroma and endothelium. Next, iris. You need to remember iris epithelium, smooth muscles of iris, first we discussed na sphincter and dilator pupillae, and normal iris per se. Iris epithelium and smooth muscles of iris, first code, this is C. Shivrock, smooth muscles of iris and iris epithelium is by neural ectoderm. Hence, neural ectoderm, whereas normal iris is derived by neural crest, SICU, neural crest. Now remember this vitreous. This is the easiest part, and first we learn secondary and tertiary and primary vitreous. Secondary and tertiary by neural ectoderm, primary by mesoderm, choroidal pes vascular, P, primary vitreous. Last topic, muscles. What were muscles we discussed? Already discussed, like smooth muscles of iris, extraocular muscles, ciliaris muscles. Smooth muscles, first one, what is that? Neural ectoderm. In surface ectoderm, no muscle layer is there. Extraocular muscles by mesoderm, whereas ciliary muscles is by neural crest. So every topic is covered. Thank you. Subscribe and share, friends. Have a good day.